Let's move on with the application development. We are done with home screen and its features in the previous class. Now, we are moving on to implement the settings screen with respect to the application. You may remember the settings fragment from the Section 2 lecture about fragments, which was used to learn the fragments. We are going to use the same procedures of fragment creation and to implement the following functionalities: temperature unit selection, enable-disable auto-location, view the about the application content. We need to navigate the settings screen first. It's discussed in the coming slide. Settings fragment will be added to the home activity on click on menu button. Some of you have noticed there is no menu icon, 3 dots at the top right corner, which represent the menu option in the action bar. Let's open Android Studio, our application development IDE. First, we need to create an XML file that can be inflated as menu. Open Menu folder from Resources. We are going to add menuhome.xml as shown. Now, we have to add this code snippet in home activity to make it visible. We can listen to click events in the menu as shown. We are calling Open Settings method when the menu option selected is Action Settings. It is nothing but adding the settings fragment in the home activity using the fragment transaction as shown. Let's have a look at what it will look like when we run the app. You can see the menu at the top right corner. Now we have the provision to open the settings screen. We need to complete the feature. Let's open settings. The view element added in between will act as a divider between each element. This is how it looks like in the layout preview screen. Next, we are going to implement functionality. Let's go back to settings fragment. First, create the reference for each of the layout items as shown using find view by ID. Then set listeners for each. Check change listeners is used for switch widget and click listener for text view. Now let's implement the listener for temperature unit switch as shown. We are storing the unit in shared preference under the key temperature unit. Now let's implement the listener for audio location switch as shown. We are storing the value in shared preference under the key auto location enabled. Let's now implement the click listener for about text view. Here, we are showing an alert dialog to display the about the app content. Now run the application. You can navigate to the settings screen by clicking on the menu button. There you can set the temperature unit, enable disable auto location functionality, and view the about content. I hope you understand the third part of our application development. Here we have implemented the functionality for settings screen such as temperature unit, auto location, and about the app content. Thank you.